Hey guys, JD here with the 2022 Kawasaki Ultra 310 LXS, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the new JetSki cover. So it's funny, this cover actually took longer to get here than the ski. You can see that there's the part number, made in USA. You can see vacuum hold JetSki cover for the LXS and the LX. And I'm just going to open up the cover and I'm going to show you how it fits. So this cover is made in the USA and it comes with a full 2-year warranty from Kawasaki. The cover is constructed out of high-performance solution-dyed polyester. It's very thick, maybe 800 or 1,000 Denison. They don't advertise that stat, so I don't know for sure, but just from feeling it and comparing it to other covers I own for other vehicles, you can see that the cover looks very similar to the previous model year Ultra covers. Also, this cover includes Kawasaki's patented vacuum hold trailering system. I have trailered these skis with the covers. You know, on the highway, it's always a bit iffy on the highway, but going to and from a boat ramp, maybe not exceeding 45 or 50 miles an hour, these covers do hold up very well. I wanted to show you they've got plastic clips that clip around the rub rail. This is similar to the Yamaha, and I don't know about the Sea-Doo covers. I don't personally own a Sea-Doo, so I couldn't tell you. Another feature of this cover is access to the cleats in case you have this moored. It's got really nice cutouts for the mirrors and the handlebars. There's the JetSki branding. This is the patented vent system. There is a louvered vent on either side of the cover. This helps keep moisture from building up on the ski while it's being stored. It's still a little crinkled from being in the box, but it'll straighten out. I really highly recommend buying the OEM covers. I had a Amazon cover that was probably about $75 that I was using while I was waiting for this one to arrive, and this one is much higher quality and provides much better ventilation for the ski.